How to tie the Half Windsor knot. It's an elegant, versatile knot, suits all builds and occasions, and is great with a semi-spread collar. Start with the wide end in your right hand and the narrow end in your left. Make sure the wider end is longer. Bring the wide end across and over the narrow end, then bring it back across underneath. The wide end should be on your right with the seam facing forward. Bring the wide end up, over and back down through the loop. From right to left, bring the wide end across the front of the knot. Pull the wide end back up through the loop and feed the wide end down through the knot and pull to tighten. To adjust, pull down on the narrow end and move the knot up. Fold your collar down and you're ready to go.